Welcome back to the Chevrolet Malibu from 1980 to 1983 was part of the fourth generation, built on GM's downsized A-body platform. It retained a boxy yet aerodynamic design, offering coupe, sedan, and wagon variants. The 1980 model received subtle styling tweaks, with a revised grille and minor trim updates. Engine choices ranged from the 3.8L V6 to the 5.7L V8, with transmissions including a 3-speed manual, 4-speed manual, and a 3-speed automatic. By 1981, Chevrolet introduced computer command control for better emissions and efficiency. The Malibu remained a midsize favorite due to its balance of affordability, reliability, and performance potential. Performance varied based on trim and engine. The base 3.8L V6 produced 110 horsepower, while the 4.4L and 5.0L V8s offered better power. The 5.7L V8, available for police packages, added serious muscle. Rear-wheel drive and a well-tuned suspension made it a solid choice for enthusiasts. By 1982, Chevrolet offered a diesel 4.3L V6 and a 5.7L diesel V8, improving fuel economy but lacking power. The 1983 Malibu saw minimal changes as Chevrolet prepared to discontinue the model for the front-wheel drive Chevrolet Celebrity. Inside, the Malibu provided comfortable seating with a simple but functional dashboard. Cloth and vinyl upholstery options were common, with woodgrain or brushed aluminum accents depending on the trim. Available features included air conditioning, AM/FM radios, power windows, and cruise control. The station wagon variant offered ample cargo space, making it a practical family choice. In motorsports, the Malibu gained popularity in drag racing and stock car events due to its lightweight chassis and adaptable engine bay. Many enthusiasts swap modern LS engines into Malibus for enhanced performance. The 9C1 police package boosted the car's reputation for durability. Today, the 1980-1983 Chevrolet Malibu remains a favorite among collectors and hot rod builders. Its classic styling, affordability, and aftermarket support make it an attractive project car. Whether restored to factory specs or modified for speed, the fourth-gen Malibu continues to turn heads on the road and at car shows.